Complete elimination of ants from both lawns and gardens using only organic practices is rarely achievable without accepting occasional reinvasions. Organic strategies can drastically reduce ant presence by targeting food sources, habitat, and colony communication. Start by removing attractants, keep pet food and fallen fruit off the ground, rake up debris, and seal compost bins tightly. Use baiting with borax mixed into syrup or sugar water placed in covered shallow containers. The workers will carry it back to the colony and it will slowly reduce the nest. Improve soil structure and drainage with heavy compost and well-aged mulch to discourage nesting in soft, compacted, or waterlogged areas. Install physical barriers such as a thin landscape fabric under new planting beds and maintain a clean 1 to 2 foot weed-free zone around foundations to limit trail formation. For active mounds, perform manual removal by digging out the nest and relocating the soil well away, then tamping and reseeding the spot to remove the preferred habitat. 3 common mistakes undermine organic ant control, and simple fixes make them manageable. Relying only on repellents without eliminating food sources lets colonies persist because workers still forage. Fix that by combining sanitation with targeted borax baits so the colony ingests the toxin. Applying light mulch or new soil without addressing existing nests can simply give ants new comfortable habitats. Correct this by inspecting and treating the area for nests before adding amendments and using heavier, well-composted mulch. Expecting 0 sightings after treatment is unrealistic and leads to unnecessary retreatment. Accept that periodic spot invasions happen and keep a routine of inspection, baiting, and physical removal so small incursions never become large colonies. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share practical experiences about pest control and landscape practices. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to motivated homeowners and fostering direct conversations between professionals and residents.